everybody, this is Kelly. This video is going to be on vital signs and auscultation, and this is my patient. This is Connor, and Connor is 6 years old. All right, I'm just going to go ahead and get your heart rate and see what your lungs are doing, okay? All right, you just relax for me. Okay, so Connor's heart rate was 90 beats per minute, and his respiration was 22 breaths a minute. So those are both considered to be within normal range for a child of his age. Okay, so buddy, would you mind sitting up for me so I can get a good listen to those lungs of yours? All right, perfect. So I'm going to start on the anterior side. Take a good deep breath for me. Go ahead and give yourself a big hug like this. All right. No, keep going. Keep giving yourself that big hug. All right. Take a deep breath. Another one. All right, now I'm going to come over on this side. Go ahead. You know what? Go ahead and put your hands above your head. How about that? Perfect. That's great. Another one. Perfect. All right, buddy. Now could you turn around for me so I can get your back? Excellent. Oh, you're going to... Could you sit up? Yeah. Okay, great. Sit nice. Okay. There you go. All right. All right. Perfect. All righty, Connor. You are a healthy boy. Thanks for being my patient today. Yeah? All right. Thanks, guys, for watching.